Have you ever considered that your seemingly innocent bowl of overnight oats could be hiding serious risks? What if I told you that this healthy breakfast might be triggering stress signals in your body and impacting your beauty routine in alarming ways? Picture this: you wake up excited for your nourishing bowl, but there's a catch. Many popular overnight oats recipes are packed with ingredients that could be sabotaging your skin and energy levels. Can you imagine starting your day while unknowingly setting yourself up for a midday slump? Think about it. You might be adding trendy ingredients like chia seeds or almond milk, convinced they're the ultimate health boost. Continue. Period. All day. However, if you're not careful, these could lead to unexpected reactions. Have you ever felt bloated or fatigued after breakfast? That discomfort might not just stem from the oats themselves. Now, consider your hectic mornings. You grab your jar of overnight oats, feeling proud of your choice, but mixing the wrong ingredients can throw your body off balance. If your breakfast is loaded with sugar or lacks protein, it could send your blood sugar on a wild ride, leaving you feeling drained. Those seemingly harmless oats could be stealing your glow. Let's not overlook hidden sugars. Prepackaged toppings and sweeteners often sneak into our bowls, leading to breakouts and dulla. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your complexion isn't as radiant as it used to be? If you're making your oats in bulk, stale ingredients can also cause oxidative stress in your body. What you think is a wholesome meal might actually be working against your beauty. So, take this as a warning: your overnight oats might not be the innocent breakfast you believe. Reflect on what you are putting into that jar. When it comes to beauty and wellness, every detail matters. By making mindful choices, you can transform your morning routine into one that truly nourishes your body and enhances your glow. Have you ever woken up excited for a bowl of overnight oats, only to discover they might be doing more harm than good? Stick around, because what I'm about to share could change your perspective on this popular breakfast choice. Many don't realize that overnight oats can come with hidden risks, especially when experimenting with day beauty routines. Surprised? You should be. Imagine applying a mixture to your face, thinking it's nourishing, only to find out it's actually causing irritation. Let's discuss some common mistakes. The ingredients you choose for your overnight oats can impact your skin in unexpected ways. What if that almond milk you thought was healthy is actually irritating your skin? Or that splash of apple cider vinegar is doing more harm than good? Picture this: you wake up glowing after a night of self-care, blend your oats, but instead of radiance, you end up with redness and breakouts. How did that happen? It all boils down to one overlooked detail in your recipe. Not all oats are created equal. Have you considered how the type of oats you use could be clogging your pores? Or that honey you drizzle might not be as pure as you think? Every choice matters, especially when you are focused on beauty. The risks aren't just skin deep. Using the wrong ingredients consistently can lead to significant skin issues. Every time you enjoy that healthy bowl, are you unknowingly harming your skin's health? But don't worry, there are simple adjustments you can make that won't disrupt your beauty routine. What if I told you that by changing just one ingredient or method, you could enhance your glow instead of risking it? Before you dive back into your oats, take a moment to reflect. Are you truly aware of the hidden risks in your favorite recipes? The right oats can elevate your beauty, while the wrong ones could lead to regret. So, as you prepare your next bowl, remember to choose wisely. Your skin deserves the best, and now you are ready to give it just that. What if I told you that your beauty routine could be affected by something as innocent as overnight oats? You might be wondering, how is that even possible? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Many people are jumping on the overnight oats trend, mixing them with various ingredients for a quick and nutritious breakfast. However, some of these combinations could actually harm your skin, a hidden risk that often goes unnoticed. Imagine waking up excited for that creamy bowl of oats, only to find a breakout or patchy skin appearing. You might brush it off as just a bad day, but here's the twist: the very recipe you thought was healthy could be the culprit. Those trendy toppings might not be as skin-friendly as they seem. Let's dive deeper. Many recipes include dairy-based yogurts or sweeteners that can trigger inflammation. You might think, just a little won't hurt, but that small amount can add up, especially if you're sensitive or allergic. The connection between what you eat and how your skin reacts is stronger than you might realize. Picture this: you are at brunch with friends and everyone